Hi there YouTube friends, welcome back to Auntie's Kitchen. I have a very simple recipe for you this week. As you've seen in today's thumbnail, we're going to be making 4 different types of delicious and refreshing watermelon drinks, and these are perfect to serve at a summer party. Start by cutting up your watermelon. This is only a small one, so we're going to use all of this today, and if you don't want to make drinks, I have some other delicious watermelon recipes that you might be interested in checking out on the channel. As well as cutting up your watermelon, make sure to cut up some decorative pieces, a few wedges to put on top, and then a few squares or balls, depending on what you prefer, to put inside of your drinks. I've mentioned this before, a quick tip: whenever you're using lemon or limes, not only give them a good wash before using them, but if you press and roll them out on your countertop, it's going to make it a lot easier to get more juice out of them. And just as we did with the watermelons, make sure to cut a few decorative slices, and don't forget to cut a slit in the lemon and lime. This is going to make it a lot easier to place on top of your glass. To prepare the mint, I like to remove the leaves from the stalks, but I'll keep a few of the smaller stems for decoration. For one of the drinks later, we're going to add a little bit of contrast of flavour and to decorate the rim of the glass, so dip it into some lime juice, then some sugar, and pop it into your fridge so that the sugar can set. The first drink we're going to prepare today is our mocktail. So into your large or small blender, add your lime juice, a handful of mint, watermelon, and then give everything a good blitz. It's really important to have a taste as you go along. I'm using a very sweet watermelon today, so I don't need to add anything extra. Then just pop this into your fridge until you're ready to serve. For the next 2 drinks, we're going to keep the flavours really simple. Just add some lemon juice and some watermelon into your blender, and then again give this a good blitz. Once blended, pour about half out into a glass, keeping all of the nutrient red pulp in the drink, and for the other drink, we're going to put it through a sieve so that you're only left with the juice. Nothing needs to go to waste. You can always use the extra pulp in a smoothie or a fruit bowl. Then again, as we did with the other drink, pop these 2 drinks into the refrigerator until we're ready to serve. For this final drink, we'll blend up some lemon juice, mint, and watermelon. What's great about these watermelon drinks is that you can not only prepare them ahead of time, but you can play around with different flavour combinations. For non-alcoholic, you could add some Sprite or club soda. For alcohol, you could add some vodka or gin. At the end of the day, just have fun putting your own twist on these recipes. So let's serve up all of our drinks, and we'll start with our mocktail. Into a glass, we're going to put some ice, a lime and watermelon mint mix, then we're going to top with some extra watermelon cubes, and then finally a slice of lemon or lime, and this is going to help to remind us what flavour we've mixed with the watermelon. For the next 2 drinks, nice and simple, both with ice, and then one glass is going to have the lemon and watermelon juice, and the second glass will serve with all of the pulp. So let me know in the comments below if you're someone who prefers with or without bits in your fruit juices. You'll notice that I'm serving all of these watermelon drinks neat. As I mentioned earlier, the watermelon that I'm using today is really sweet, so I don't need to add anything extra other than a little ice, which is not only going to help to dilute the juice, but keep them cool. For the final drink, a watermelon punch, we'll add some cubes of watermelon into the bottom of a glass, add your ice and your lemon mint watermelon mix on top. And as this is a punch, sometimes I'll also add some pieces of lemon and lime or other fruits in the bottom of the glass as a treat as well. So here we have 4 refreshing watermelon drinks, and with my family waiting behind the camera, ready to devour these, the final thing to do is to garnish with a little bit of mint. For me personally, my favourite was the punch drink that we made at the end. I love the hit of lime and sugar from the rim of the glass, then the refreshing mixture of the lemon, mint and watermelon. So thanks for watching, God bless.